Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to help support this channel, it won't cost you anything. All you got to do is use the links in the description if you wanted to get anything I use in this video. Hey, what's going on? Rich back with another awesome video for you. I wanted to show you how to fix a yard. So, got some bad grass here. Just getting ready to rip it up and rake it out. Got some really great grass over there, and we got some really bad grass here. This is an old thatcher. So, you can get a tool to do this, or you can just do it manually. This is just going to be a really hard job to do, but it will come out. So, I'll get it all ripped up. I say that like I really want to do it, right? So this is going to be a really tough job. I'm gonna rip it all up with a thatcher, and I'll show you what it looks like, and I'll show you how to reseed it. Okay, so I got everything all ripped up. This is 2 days later, and what I did was I ripped everything up, went all the way down to the ground, used the thatcher, had to cut it out with the weed whacker, and got it down to dirt. Went through the dirt with the thatcher and scraped it up a little bit, and then I planted all the seeds. As you can see, these are all seeds in here. All these little beige things are seeds. That's the grass seed that I did in another video, the Kentucky fescue. And it already started coming back up in certain spots. So, as you can see right there, right here, and right in that area over there, it started coming back up already. A little bit over here too, a couple areas. So it's August 2nd right now. I basically did this 2 days ago, which was July 31st. So this is what we have. So as you can see, this is what it looks like. Just a whole bunch of dirt and a bunch of grass seeds. And luckily we got the sprinkler right here, which is going to get a lot of water to this area, which is nice. So I have this going on 2 times a day for an hour and a half each, just to give it plenty of water to grow. We've been getting a lot of rain here in Jersey, so thank God for that. And that's what it looks like. Did a lot of work, took a whole day to rip this whole thing up. And this isn't even too big of an area. This is only about maybe 10 feet by 20 feet. So not a big area, but a whole lot of work. Stay tuned for some updates, let you know how the grass turned out, and this is what it looks like for now. Again, this is 2 days, and it's already starting to come back in. So this Kentucky fescue is the real deal. I'm going to leave some links in the description if you want to pick up some of the grass seed I used. And if you can, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more awesome content, and let me know if you have any questions or comments in the section down below. And stay tuned for updates. Thanks again for watching. Take care.